Hello guys, you are welcome to my video. In this video, I am going to show you how to build a professional website with WordPress and Elementor step by step. This is the website we are going to build. We are going to start building the header section and we are going to add this menu to it. So from there, we are going to design our hero section, add these titles and also add this image to the hero section. From there, we are going to design this container section as well. And we are going to also design this section too. So we are going to do a lot in this video. So just stick to the video. By the end of this video, you'll be able to build any business website. Okay, so we are going to also design this rating container as well. All right, so I'm going to show you everything in this training. Okay, so not to waste time, let me go to my dashboard and show you the theme and the plugin that I'll be using. Okay, so this is my dashboard. Okay, so I'll come to plugins. So as you can see, I am using Elementor Pro and Elementor Basic to design this website. Okay, so I'll come to appearance, then theme. And you can see I am using Hello Elementor theme. So if you want to use the same theme as mine, just go to add theme. Then from here, we are going to search for Hello Elementor theme. Okay, so the theme will come and you install the theme. Okay, so this is the theme. Then you just install and activate it. All right, so let's go to my page. Let's create our page. Okay, so we are going to create our page, but before, this is the media I'm going to use. The images I'm going to use are in my media. So these are all the images I'm going to use for this training. Okay, so let's go back to my page. Okay, so from here, I'm going to create a new page. So to create a page, I'll go to add page, click on it, then add my page from here. Okay, so from here, I'll go to publish. Okay, so after publishing it, I will click on edit with Elementor. So it will take us to our working environment. Okay, and as you can see, I am in my working environment. But before we begin, I want to do a little settings here. So I will click here and go to user preference. So I will click on the darkness mode. All right, and publish it. So from here, I will go to page settings. Then I'll click on the down here, then select Elementor full width. Okay. Then I'll go to publish. And from here, we can start creating our page. Okay, so to create our first session, we are going to click on the plus button. But as I said, we are going to start creating our header. Okay, so this is our reference site. Okay, so this is the header we are going to create. We are going to create this header. So after this header, before we come to this hero section, so let's design this header. Okay, so let me go back to my dashboard. So I am still in my working environment. So I have to go inside my dashboard because we need a template to design the header. We need a header template. So I have to go to my dashboard. So I'll click here and go to click on exit to WordPress. So it will take me to my dashboard. So I'll click here. So I'm in my dashboard here, then I'll click on template, then template builder. Click on it here. Okay, and this will open. Then I'll click on header here. And as we are going to create our header from scratch, so we don't need any pre-made header. So I'm going to close this one. Okay, so we are in our working environment, and from here we can start designing our header. But before I design my header, let me name my header. So I'll go to header settings here. Then on the title, I will name it header 1. Okay, I will name it header 1, then publish it, then add a condition, then save it. Okay, so now we can start creating our header. So let's create our header now. So I'll click on this plus to create our section for the header. So I'll click here and I'll select the first one, click on it. From here, I'll select this section from here, Then I'll go to layout. I will give it a size of 1450. Okay, so from here I'll click here, then add a container. All right, so I will add a container inside. Okay, then I'll click on the container and go to advanced and remove the padding. Then I'll click on it again, then I'll remove the padding. So from here I can add, let's see, my star rating. Then I'll go back to my working environment, go to my element panel, look for star rating. Yeah, this is what we are, this element we are looking for. So I'll click on this element, drag it here. Okay, then I'll go back to my element panel, look for icon list. I'll click on this icon list and I'll drag this icon list inside this container, and I'll remove this. Let me see. Okay, I'll remove the two, then I'll make this one 4.9k reviews. All right, so then what do we need again? Okay, we need this text. Okay, so I will duplicate this. Okay, I'll click on this one, then click here and duplicate it here. Okay, so from here I'll just click on it here on this icon, go to icon, click on this, then change this one. Okay, change the name. Okay, all right, so I'll click here and I'll also change the icon as well. So I'll click here and go to the icon, then search for server, select it, insert this. Okay, so after that I will select this container, go to layout and click on this arrow. Okay, so from here I'm going to select this container. Okay, then go to style, then add a background color. Okay, so of let me check our reference site, this color. So I'll select my color picker. Okay, I'll select my color picker and choose this color. Right, click on this, click here and select the color code from here. Copy, go to my working environment, click here and paste the color here. So after that I'm going to save the color. So I will make it blue. And then I'll go to create and it's saved. So I'm going to click on this text color, go to style, go to text, then select the color white for it. Okay, I will do the same thing to this one too. Go to style, go to text, select the color, give it white. Okay, so I'll select the text again. Then I want to change the font family. So I'll go back to the text, then I will go back to typography, click on it. Then the font family, I will use popping. Okay, I will see popping here. Then I will increase the font size. Let me increase the font size. Okay, 12, 18, 16 is okay. So I will do the same thing to this one too. I will select, go to typography, then I will choose popping. Then I will increase the font size. Okay, 16 is okay. So I will still select this one. Then I will go to context, then I'll click here and I will remove this icon. Okay, so you can see that the icon is no more. Then I will select this one. I will go back to style, go to icon, then I'll select the icon color. I will give it the color of white. Okay, so from here I am going to select this. Okay, then I'll go to advanced, then I'll select growth here. Okay, like this. So after that I'll select this container. I'll select this container, go to advanced again, then I'll give it a padding of top 10, right 40, bottom 10, left 40. Okay, like this. So from here I am going to select this container, then go to layout, and I will align it to center like this. Okay, center, and after that I will select this rating. Okay, then go to style and increase the size to, let's say, 16, and I will give it a little bit of space. Okay, I think 5 is okay. All right, so like this. Okay, so we are going to create the bottom one. So okay, we're done with the first one, so let's get to the down one. We are going to add this logo and add this button to it. Okay, so let's go back and add another container inside this section. So I'll go back to my element panel, get a container from here, drag it inside. Okay, inside here, leave it. I will select a container, go to advanced, click on this padding. Okay, so I have to add this logo. So I'll go back, then I'll go to my element panel, then I'll search for an image element, sorry. So get this image element, drag it here, then I'll add this image, go to my media library, then select this logo, then select this again. So from here, the resolution, I'll put it to full. Okay, so from here I'll go to style, then I will decrease the size and I will align it to the left, increase the size a little here, like this. It's okay, so I will increase it like this. So from here I'm going to add a button. So I'll go here, look for button element, then I'll drag it here. Okay, I will drag this button element here. All right, so but before, let me add a container inside it, put the button inside a container. So let me look for a container here like this. Sorry, I'll container, this is my container, and I'll put it inside this, and I'll add this bottom inside the container. All right, okay, then I'm going to click on this button and name it register, name it register, then I will duplicate, name it register, I will duplicate it, but let me finish. Okay, let me select this container again, then remove the padding of the container. Okay, like this. So I'll go to style, then I'll give it, I'll go to style, and I have to give it a color. Okay, I have to give the color to the button. So I'll go to style, then I'll select our color here. Okay, like this. Okay, but I think it is white, so let me give it white background. Okay, so from here I'll go to box shadow. I'll go to box shadow. All right, so on the text tool I'll give it our dark color. We have a dark color for this, so let me come to my reference site, then I'll copy this dark color. Okay, I'll copy this color code, go back to my working environment, then paste the color code here. So after that, I'm going to save it. I will make it dark blue. Create. All right, then from here I will duplicate it. Then the next one I'll make it log in, and this one I'll give it a background of blue. The background, let me select this blue and give it a text color of white like this. Okay, all right. So from there I'm going to select this container, go to layout and click on this. Okay, I'll click on this, and after that I'll select this container again, go to layout and click on this. All right, like this. So after that I'll click on this container. Okay, then I'll go to end. Yes, I'll click on this end rather, justify content. Then I'll click on this one. Okay, like this. Okay, so it look good. So from here I will select this image again, then increase the image. Let me increase the image. I think 36 is okay. Okay, so from here I will select this whole container. All right, then I will align it to the middle like this. Okay, so from here I'll still select this container, go to advanced and add some padding. Okay, so let me add a padding of 10, 40, 10, 40 like this. Okay, so after that I'll select this container, then I'll go to layout, then I'll decrease it to 10. Okay, like this. I'll select the container here again, then I'll go to style. Okay, then I'll add a background color of white like this. Then from there I will add a border top and bottom. Okay, so I will select the border, then the border type I will go to solid, then the border width I will uncheck this, and the top border I will give it 1, bottom border I will give it 1. Okay, like this. Okay, and the border color, let me make it white. No, the border color, let me make it this color, the secondary color, and let me go to publish and preview. Okay, so this is what you can see, but let me solve this thing. Let me go back here. Okay, then I'll select this container, and I'll go to layout, then the space here I'll remove the space 0, then I'll publish it again and preview, and you can see that it is closer now. Okay, so let's add this last one to it, and our menu. Let's add our menu, our header and the menu, and this register a new domain. Okay, so let's continue our lesson. So let me go back to my working environment. Okay, so I need a container again. So I'll go back to my element panel, get my container, drag my container below. Okay, let me drag my container here like this. Let me check something here. Good, okay, good, like this. So I'll select this container and go to advanced, uncheck this. Then what do we need to add? Okay, so we are going to add this menu. Okay, so let me go back and I'll go to my element panel, look for menu, and this is our menu element. Then I'll drag the menu here, but as you can see, there's nothing here. There's nothing because we haven't created our menu, so we need to create our menu here. Okay, so this is the menu that I'm talking about. We have to create it, so I have to go back to my dashboard and do that. Okay, so let me go back to my dashboard. So I'll click here, go to exit to dashboard. But before I'll do that, I won't open it here. Okay, let me open it here. Rather, click on here. It will take me to my dashboard. Okay, so you can see I am in my dashboard right now from here. So I will go to appearance, then I'll go to menu, then I'll click on menu here. Okay, so from here, our menu page is going to open. So you can see on my right, we have menu structure, and on my left, all the items that we can add to menu. So we have to create our menu structure. So let me create my menu structure. Okay, I am back to here. So let me go back there. All right, so appearance, menu. I am here. So I'll click here again. Then I'll make it main menu 01. Okay, so that's the name of our menu. So I will select header and create menu. Okay, so you can see that as soon as I created a menu, here became active. So we are going to add our dummy menu links. Okay, so I will come to custom link. All right, so I will add a dummy link here. It's going to be hashtag about, and I will make this one about. Okay, then I'll add it to my menu. Click and add it to my menu. Then I'll go back, add an hashtag service. Here I will make it service, add to menu. Let me check what we need again. Testimonial. So I'll go back here. Hashtag test. Yeah, okay. Then I'll make it test. Yes. Okay. Then add to my menu. Then I'm going to add another one, FAQ. Then here's going to be FAQ, and add to my menu. Then another one, hashtag contact add to my menu. Okay, so from here I'm going to save this. Okay, I will save this one. Okay, so from here I will go back to my working environment, and I'm going to delete this. Okay, I'm going to delete this element and reapply it again. So I'll look for my menu from here, then get my menu from here, then apply it, and you can see our menu is showing now. Okay, so we need to add this. So let's add another element called list icon list. I'll copy the icon list, leave it here, delete this one, come here, go back to our reference site, copy this. Okay, go back to my working environment, and I'll paste this here. From here I'll change the icon. Now I'll use for globe. I'll use globe. Okay, select this, insert. So from here, let me select the whole of this container. Okay, I'll select the whole of this container, go to layout, then I'll select this like this. Okay, and I'll select the whole of this container again, then align it to the middle. So after that, I'll select this element, go to advanced, and click on grow. Okay, like this. Okay, so after that, let me start this menu. I'll click on this menu here, go to context. On the pointer, I'll click on give background. I'll select background. Okay, so let me check my reference site. Okay, so That is what we are doing. Okay. Oh, we didn't add one menu to it. Find domain. Okay, so we have to add this one, find domain. So let me go back to my menu. So let me add this one again. Custom link, hashtag. Okay, domain. I'll make it domain. Then here, find domain. Okay. Then I'll go to add to menu. Okay, and as here, we can position our menu wherever you want. So I want it to be at the first, so I will just drag it to the top and leave it here. Then I will save it. I will save my menu. Okay, so I will come back here, right? So I will let me publish this. Okay, then refresh this one. Okay, and you can see it's showing here. So I'll select my menu from here, then customize it, customize our menu. So let's go to our style. Let's go to our style. Then from here, we want to add our hover color to be our blue color. Okay, so our hover color is going to be our blue color. So okay, so back to the normal, and the text color we are going to give it our dark color to be the text color. Okay, and the typography, let me change it to popping, and increase the size. Let me increase the size to about 13 is okay. 13 is okay. Let me make it 13. Yes, I'll make it 13 is okay. Okay, I think this is okay, right? So from here, let me check here. Let me try to add some space between. Let me add some space between. Let me add a little bit of space between, like 5. Okay, let me increase it. Like 10 is okay. Okay, 10 is okay. So it's looking good. It's looking good now. So I'll click on this one, this element. Then I'll go to style. Then the text, I will go to my typography, change it to popping. I'll change it to popping. Then I'll increase the sizes to about 15, 16 is okay. Then I'll check the icon. Then the icon is okay, 15 is okay for the icon. Okay, then I'll change the icon color to our blue color, like this. Let me check our reference site. Okay, we are having the same. So from here, I will select this container, then go to padding. Then let's give it a padding of 10, 40, 10, 40. Okay, so here we are going to add a bottom border of this. We are going to add a border to this one, but only to the bottom. Okay, so I will go to style, and I'll come to border type. I will select solid. Then I will take this border width, and the bottom I will add 1. Okay, so I will just preview this one like this and refresh it like this. Okay, and we have this. Okay, we have this beautiful header. Okay, so I'll go back to my header. Okay, then I will select this whole header. Then I will go to here, select full weight like this, refresh this, and preview this. Okay, so right now we are done with our header. So let's start designing our hero section. Okay, so we are going to start designing this hero section right now. So let me go to my working environment. Okay, so back to my working environment. So I'm back in my working environment. We are done with the header. So I have to go back to my dashboard and start with my page. So I'll click here, go to exit WordPress. Okay, so I'll go to pages. Then this is the page I created. I'll click on edit page. Then edit with Elementor. And this is going to take me to my working environment again. Okay, so I am in my working environment and let's start creating our hero section. So I'm going to click on this plus, click on this flex box. Then I'm going to select the two containers. So I'll click on these two containers. Okay, so I'll click on this section, go to advanced, untick the padding. Then I'm going to give it a custom padding of top 80, bottom 80. Okay, so from here I am going to add, I'll click on this one too, this container here, sorry. Then I'll go to advanced, then remove the padding, click on this container as well, go to advanced, remove the padding. So I'm going to add an image to this section. So let's go back to our element panel, look for our image element, click and drag it inside. Then let's pick our image from here. This is our image. Okay, all right, so we have our image here. So let's add some text here. I'll go back to my element panel, click on my header, drag it here. Okay, so I'll go back again. Let me see. All right, I'll go back again, look for my header element, drag it down below. All right, so I'll start with the top one. Let's go back to our reference site, and I'll copy this text. I don't want to write it again, so I'll copy it back here, paste it here. Okay, then I'll go back, copy this text again, then go back and paste it here. I'll paste it here, then I'll go back again. So we have to create this text and this button and the rest. So let's customize this one. Okay, let's start with this one first. Let's click here, go to style, then I'll go to typography, change the font to Poppin, select it. Then I'm going to change this text to, I'll increase it like about, let's say 20. Okay, 20 is okay. All right, so, and from here let me give it color of our blue like this. All right, so I'll click this again, go here, go to style, go to typography, click on typography, change our Poppin, change it to Poppin. All right, then I will increase the font size to, let's say 40, 45. Okay, 45 is okay. All right, then I'll select this section, then I'll go back to layout, then I'll give it a size of 1450. Okay, all right, like this. Then I'll publish it. Okay, like this. So from here I'll select this text, go to style again, then I'll select the color, the dark color, select this, our dark color. Okay, like this. Okay, but as you can see, the text, you can see that the business here is a different color. So how can we achieve this? All right, so let me go back here, then I will go back to my context. Then I can see business here. I am going to add an HTML element, I mean an HTML code. So I'm going to add a spine tag. I'll click on this. I'll do it. Let me write it. Close it here, and I'll come here. Sorry, I'll open it here, then I'll come here, close it here like this. Fine. Okay, space. So inside here, I will add an attribute of style equal to, style equal to, okay, like this. Then I will add color dash. Then let me copy my color code. I have to copy my color code, so let me go back here. Okay, let me go back here. Let me select, go back here, select my color picker, then select this color again. Okay, select the code here, then back here. Then I'm going to paste the code inside here. I have to add hashtag first. Okay, then I'll paste my code here like this, then add this code to it. Okay, my color, I didn't spell my color well. Okay, like this. Okay, so as you can see, all right, so we have achieved that feature. So let me save it and preview. Okay, you can see we have it here. Okay, so from here, let me check my reference site. You can see, and after that, I want to do another thing to that. I want to add a line break here. Okay, let me add a line break here like this. Okay, like this. Then I'll save it. Okay, so after that, let me add this text. I'll add this text here. Okay, so from here, let me add a button too. Let me add this button too. All right. Okay, so let me start styling this one. Go here, change this one to popping. Okay, then increase the size to about 15. Let me see, 16 is okay. Okay, so let me check my reference site. Okay, like this. Let me go back here. Okay, so I wanted to add some HTML tag inside this one here like this. Okay, line break. Then let me preview and see how it's looking like. Let me remove it. Okay, let me check again. Okay, it's looking good, so I'll leave it this way. Okay, so let me go back. Then I'm going to style this one, make it, choose a plan. Okay, choose a plan. So I will make it, choose a plan. Okay, so from here, let me add a container inside here. Let me add a container to this one. Then I'll drag this one inside that container. Okay, now copy, I'll select this container, go to advanced, and check this. I will check this one. Okay, then I'll give it a background color. Okay, no, not the container, sorry, the button rather. Okay, then I'll give it a background color of this blue. Then from there I will duplicate it. Okay, then select the container again, go to layout and align it this way. Then from here I will select the container, I will select this button, go to style, then I will make it white. Okay, make it white, then give it a text color of the dark color like this, publish. Okay, so we are going to publish this. So after that I will select this container, I'll select this, okay, then go to box shadow, and I'll click on this one too, the same, go to box shadow. Okay, just like this. Then I'll click on this one and change it to get more power. I'll click on this one, then change this one to get more power. Okay, so I'll go to style and I'll change the font to popping, then change the font size to about, I think 13 is okay. Let's make it 13. Okay, then I'll copy this, click on this, paste. I'll click on paste style. Okay, all right, paste style. So then I'll just click on this one again, go here, click on white. Okay, all right, so from here let's click on this container, then go to layout, then on layout let's click on this. Okay, then let's click on publish, preview, and see how our heading is looking. Okay, so this is what we got after designing our hero section. Okay, so you can see, so we have to design this one too below. Okay, so let me go back to my working environment and let's apply this one and also apply this image below. Okay, so here I'll go back to my element panel, look for image box, and here is it. So before, I will need a container, so let me add a container first. Let me drag this container here, no, yes, below here, and I'll click on this container, go to advanced and check it here. Okay, so then I'll go back to my element panel, go to image box, then I'll drag it here. Okay, so my first, I don't need the image. Let me check. No, I don't need the image, so I will just delete the image, and the title I will make it 1M+. I'll make it 1M+ like this, and here I'll add an active website. Okay, like this. So I'll go to my style, then the content spacing. Let me add this space to 0. Okay, so let me align this one like this to the left. Okay, for now let me align it to the left first. Okay, so from here let me go to content typography. Let me change the font family to popping. Okay, then this one I will make it, I think, no, 21 is okay. I think 21 is okay. Then I can increase the font like 70. Okay, let me maintain it to 60. Okay, and here too I'll go to the description. I will do the same thing to the description. Change the font family to popping. Then increase it a little bit, about 13. I think 13 is okay. 14, okay, 14 is okay. So from here, I can change the color of this to our blue color. Then from here, I can duplicate this one. Click on this, duplicate. Click on this again and duplicate. Then I'll select this container, go to layout, and I'll click on this like this. So from here, I can select this container again. Then I'll go to center, but before let me select this, select this too, go here. Sorry, untick this one. Okay, select this one as well, go here, undo this one. Okay, so then I can center it like this. Okay, so from here I can just change the content. So I'll go back to my preview site, then I will just change here this content to copy this content, go back here, I'll select the second one, go here and paste it here. Then this one I'll make it 500k plus like this. Then I'll go back here, copy this one, okay, I'll copy this one, go back here, okay, then go here and paste it here. Then this one too, I will change it to 48 plus like this. Okay, so after that I will just save it, publish. Okay, so we need another image box, so I'll go for another image box, copy it and bring it to this side, leave it here, and this I'll click on this image, select this image. Okay, then here I will just empty this like this. I'll go to the style and I want the image to be at the left like this. All right, so I'll go to the content, then I will decrease this one, I'll change to popping first, the font family, then I will increase the size. Okay, I'll increase the size to about 13. Okay, then from here I'll go to image, I'll also decrease the image a little bit like this. Okay, I will increase the image a little. Okay, 22 is okay. Okay, so from here I'll go to box. Okay, then the image spacing, let me add a little bit. Content spacing, let me leave it. On the alignment, it's okay. On the middle, let be on the middle, it's okay. Okay, alignment too, let me leave it like this. It's okay. So I'll go back here and change it to blue. Let me check the color here. Okay, let's give it our dark color like this. Okay, so I will just go to my padding and give it a padding right like about 50. Sorry, let me undo this padding and give it this padding. Padding left 50. Okay, let me add another one like 100 is okay. Okay, then I'll publish. Right, then preview. Okay, so this is what we designed so far. Okay, as you can see, we started with this header, then we've designed our hero section. So we are going to create our next section. Okay, and this is our next section we are going to create. Okay, so let's go and create our next section. So back to my working environment. So I am in my working environment now. So we are going to create the next section. So I'll click on this plus, click on this flex box. Then I'm going to select this container. Okay. So I'll select this section. I'll go to advanced and remove the pattern from here. So after that, I'll go to layout and give it a size of 1450. Okay, like this. Then I'll go back to the advanced and give it a top padding of 80, bottom padding of 80. Okay, just like this, right? So we are going to add our text. Okay, so we already design the text here, so we are not going to write it again. I just want to copy and paste it, and that is the power of Elementor. You can do copy and paste with Elementor with no problem. Okay, so let's go to our reference. Let me show you something. As you can see, this is the text that I have to design again. So I'll go back to my working environment and I'll copy this text, copy this, and I'll come here, paste it here. Okay, like this. Go back, copy this. Okay, then I come back here, paste it here. Okay, I'll come back here again, copy this. Okay, and paste it. The reason why we are doing it's going to have the same style. When you check, you can see the sizes, the styling are all the same. So we don't have to design it again. Okay, so I'll come here, I'll click on this one. I'll click on this, go here, copy this text, come back here, paste it here. Okay, and I'll go back here, copy this text, go back here, copy, select this, and paste it here, like this. And I'll go back here, I'll copy this text, go back, select this, and I'll paste it here, like this. Okay, so after that, I will select this section, go to layout, then I'll select center here. Okay, so after that, I'll select this again, go to style, and I'll click on center like this. Then I'll click this one too. Okay, so let me go back to here. Then I'll come back. Let me break this text here. Okay, like this. Add my HTML tag. Then I'll click on this again. Going to style and center. Okay, so we are having this text center right now. Okay, and we need a background, so I will take my color picker, select this background, copy the color here, copy the color code here, back to my working environment, and I will select this, go to style, then I'll go to classic, then paste my color here like this. Then I'll save this color. I'll make it BJ white. Okay, then I'll save it. All right, so let me go back to my reference site, and as you can see, we have to create this container. So I'll come back here, then I'll go to my element panel, then I'll select this grid. Okay, then I'll drag this grid here. Okay, so let me count this. 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's 8. So I will come back to my settings, to my grid panel. Then here on the column, I want to make the column 4, and the row I will stick it to 2. Okay, so after that, I will go back to my element panel, get a container from here, drag it inside. Okay, then I'll copy the grid container first, go to advanced, remove the padding, then I'll select this container, go to advanced again, and remove the padding. So from here, let me see what we need. Okay, we need an icon list. So I'll go back to my element panel, look for icon list, drag it here. I'll delete this, then this, I'll click here, make this one .com. Then the icon, I'll change the icon to this circle. I'll select this circle, then insert this, okay, like this. So I'll go back to my style, go to text, go to typography, I'll change it to popping. Then I'll select it, and I'll increase my font to about, let's say, 18. Then I'll select this box, let me make it bold. It's too thick, let me make it 70. I think 70 is okay. So let me increase this one a little bit. I think 20 is okay. Then I will go back to my icon. Okay, I can leave my icon to 14 or make it 15, or 14 is okay. 14, and the gap, okay, it's okay. So I will change the icon color and give it our blue color. Let me check. Okay, I will give it our dark color. All right. Then I'll go to the text, give it our dark color too, like this. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to add my text. So I'll go back to my element panel, copy this text below. Okay, then I'll go back to style, select typography, change it to popping. Okay, and I will increase the font size to about 13. Let me see. Okay, 13 is okay. And I'll copy this text, go back, and I'll go to content, paste it here like this. Okay, so I'll go back. What do we need again? We need to add this price. So I'll copy this price, go back, add our heading elements. Let me add this heading elements here like this. Okay, then I'll go to style, change the typography to popping, select popping, add some font size about, let me see, 20 is too big. Okay, like this, 17, 16 is okay. And I'll go back here, go to content, paste this. I'll paste this, let me see. Okay, I'll paste this, go back to style, typography. Then let me increase it a little bit. Then I'll change the color to our blue. Then let me go to typography again. Maybe I'll make it 70. Let me make it 600. Okay, make it 80. All right, it's okay like this. So from here, I need to add this button. So I'll go back, then I'll copy this button. Okay, copy this button, then paste it, select this, then paste it here, undo this, I'll copy this, then paste it here. Okay, all right, so let's check our reference site again. Okay, so let's do some, as you can see, the here looks smaller than the original text. So let me go back here. Okay, so I'll go back to content, I'll select this, go back to content, and on the here, let me add some HTML tag, spine, open it here, then I'll come back here, close it here, open my tag here and close it. Then I'll add an attribute of style equal. Then I'm going to write font size, font dash size. Okay, then I will give the size I want 18 pixels dash. Okay, then as you can see, it has reduced. So if I increase it like 20, you can see it's going to only affect the year. So let's make it 13, small like this. Okay, so it look good. I'll publish it. Okay, so from here, I'm going to select this, then I'll go back to style, click on this classic, add a background of white. Okay, add a background of white. From then I'll go to advanced, and I'll select this one and add a padding of 30. Okay, like this. Then I'll select this. Okay, let me check. Register a domain. So I'll select this, then click on register a domain like this. I'll select the button and I'll go to style. Then on the style, I will select stretch like this. Okay, so after that, I will select this section, this container, go to advanced. Okay, and on advanced, I'll select this container, go to style, then I'll click on border, then I'll click on this box shadow, then I'll give it 5 here, 7, then here I'll make it 20 like this. So after that, I will just publish it again like this. Okay, and I'm going to duplicate it. Okay, so let me duplicate this. Click here and duplicate, click here again and duplicate. So I'm going to duplicate until I get the numbers I want. Duplicate this one again, duplicate and duplicate. Okay, as you can see, so let me publish this and preview. Okay, so let me preview this. Okay, so we've created this container. So I'm going to pause this video and change these details. Okay, as you can see, I have filled in all the details. All right, so let's preview it. Okay, so we finished designing this section. So let's design our next section, and our next section is going to be this section. Okay, so back to my working environment. So I am back to my working environment, and we are going to create our next section. So let's create our next section by clicking on this plus button, click on Flexbox, and we are going to select these two container. Okay, so I'll select these two container. Okay, yes, back here, select this section. I'll select this section again, go to advanced, click on this padding to uncheck it, then I'll click on this container again, go to advanced, uncheck it, click on this container, go to advanced, uncheck it, then I'll click on this section, go to layout and give it a size of 1450. Okay, so after that, I'll go back to advanced and give it a padding top of 80, padding bottom of 80. Okay, so from here, let's add our image element. So I'll go back to my element panel, then I'll click here, search for image, I'll drag it here on the left, then I'll select my image, and this is my image. Select it here. Okay, so from here I will go back to the top here. I want to copy this text. Let me copy this text. Click on this one, copy this. Okay, then paste it here. I can copy this one from here, copy this one. Okay, then let's copy this one too from here. Copy this. Then paste it from here. Okay, so after that, I'll click on this, go back to here, and I'm going to copy this one. Okay, and back to here and copy it here and paste it here. Sorry, I'll paste this one here, go here. Okay, then I'll go back, copy this text, go back to my working environment, select this one, I'll paste it here. Okay, then I'll go to this, all right, like this, and this is very powerful in Elementor. Okay, So as soon as you design one thing, you can copy it and paste it anywhere in your working environment. All right, so let's copy this. So let's select this. Okay, then go to our style and click on this here like this. So I'll select this first one and go back here. Then I'll select this and paste it here. Okay, like this. So we need this button. So let me go back. All right, now I'll copy this button here, copy it back here. I'll select this and paste it here. Okay, just like this. And I'll select the button and then make it get WordPress hosting. Get WordPress hosting. Just like this. Okay. Then I'll go to the style. Let me see. Okay, I'll go back to the style. And I don't need the border radius, so I want to take the border radius here like this. Okay. So from here, let me preview, publish and preview this. Okay. So I'll preview and let's check. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, everything is looking good. Okay, this is our preview. Everything's looking good. So let's go back to our working environment and we are going to create this next section. Okay, so let's create this next section. I'll go back to my working environment again. Then I'll select this plus button, click on Flexbox, and I am going to click on this one. Okay, then I'll select this, go to Advanced, untick this. Then I will give it a size 1450. Okay, so let me see. So I need this text. So I can copy this text again, then paste it here like this. Then I'll go back and see. So let me go copy this one again, select this one and copy it. Then back here. Okay, back here, select this, then paste it here. Okay, then I will go back again. Let me see. We need another one. Okay, let me copy this, select this one and copy. And I'll select this and paste it. Select this and paste it. Okay, like this. Okay. So I'll select the whole of this section. Go to layout. Then I'll click on center here. Then from here, I'll select this. Copy this text back here. Then I'll select this one. Paste it here like this. And I'll go back there. Copy this text. Back to my working environment. Select this. And I'll copy it. I'll paste it here. Alright, then I'll go back. Select this text. Copy this text back. Select this and paste it here. Okay. So from here, let's see. We have a background here. So let's add our background to this. I'll select this section. Go to Style. Go to Classic. Then I'll select this BG white. Okay, and let me give it some padding. Go to advanced. At the top, I'll give it 80 padding. Bottom 80 padding. Okay, just like this. Then I'll publish this. So from here, I'll go back to my reference site. Then I'll check. I have to break this here. So let me go back here to my working environment. Then I'll select this text. Then I'll break it here like this. Okay. Then I'll publish this again. Okay. Then refresh my page. So I will preview it. Okay. And we have this. So okay, we can change the font color here. So let me change the font color here. Okay, and select our dark color. Okay, so we have to select this container. We have to create this container. Okay, so let me go back to my working environment. Go to my element panel. Select my grid again. And this time, I only need 1 row and 4 column. 1 row, 4 column. Then I will select my grid here, remove the padding. Okay, then go to my element panel, select my container, okay, and leave it here. Then I'll select the container, go to advanced, untick the padding. Then I need to add an image inside this. So I'll go to my element panel, select my image element, drag it inside here, and I'm going to select my image. So let's see our image, which is one. Okay, WordPress logo. So this is my image. I'll select this one. Okay, copy it here. Then I'll go to my style. Before on the image resolution, let's select full. Then I'll go back to style. Then I'll increase the size a little bit. Okay, then I'll send it to the left like this. And from here, we need to add this text. Okay, so I'll go back here. Then I'll select my heading element, drag it below. Then I'll copy this text back. I'll paste it here. Okay, then I'll go to style, typography, give it a text family of popping. Then font size, let's make it, let's see, I think 16 is okay. 16 is okay, right? Then I'll give it a color of our blue color here like this. Okay, and we need this text. So I'll go back. Okay, so I'm still on my reference site, just checking something. So back to my working environment, and I'll add this text. So I can come here, copy this text from here. I can copy this text from here like this. Copy. Okay. Then I'll come here, select this, and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. So from here, I'll go back to my reference site, copy this text like this. Okay. Then back to my working environment, and I'll paste it here like this. Okay. I'll paste it here like this. So from here, I need to add another element, an icon list. Icon list. So I'll select this icon list, leave it below. I will delete this one. delete this, delete this, then let me see. Okay, so I'll copy this back here, select this one, paste it here. Then for the icon, I'll change the icon. I want this one. I'll select this, insert. Okay, then I'll go back here, copy this text back to my working environment. I will duplicate this one, then change the text. Okay, so from here I will go to my style, go to text, go to typography, change this to popping, change it to popping, reduce this to about, let's say 12, 13 is okay. Let me check this one. That 14, let me make it 14 now. Okay, 15 is okay. Well, let me leave it to 15. Okay. I think I'll leave it to 13. All right. So let me leave it to 13. Go to my icon. Then I'll change the color of my icon. Okay, and select our blue color. Okay. So what do we need again? We need this. So I'll go back. I need an element. My heading element. I will copy select my heading element and drag it below here. So okay, so I'll go back to style, go to typography, make it popping, select popping here, then I will decrease it to about 16 is okay. Yeah, 16. Then from here I'll go to content, then back to my reference site, and I'll copy this. Okay, copy this, then back here, select this. Okay, paste it here. Okay, so I'll paste this one here, and now I have to add a container inside this again. So let me go back to my element panel, copy this container below here, and I'll select this. Okay, then go to advanced, remove this padding, then select this, drag it inside. Okay, and I'll reduce this one to the style and make it 500, and I will increase this one a little like this. Okay, let me make it 600 like this. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Then I will add another. I can click here and duplicate this one. Okay, then this one I will name it. Okay, I will name it C plans. Okay, and give it a dark color, our dark color like this, and this one give it our blue color like this. Okay, so let me go back. I'll select this one. If I can make this one even, okay, for 13, let me make this one to 13. Make this one to 13. 13 is okay. So I'll select this container, go to layout, then click on this. I'll click on this. Okay, so from here I am going to select this container. Okay, and go to style, classic, and give it a background color of white. Okay, so from here I'll go to advanced, click on here, give it a padding of 30 like this. So after that I'll go to style, then I'll go to border and click on box shadow, give it 5, 7, 20. Okay, like this. So after that I'm going to duplicate this. Okay, now I will duplicate it, duplicate this, then duplicate this. Okay, right, so let's check. Okay, and as you can see, we are having a border radius here, so let's add our border radius. So let me go back, then I will select this container, then I will come back to my style. Okay, and I'll go to border, then the border radius, let me add 15 to this, 15 to this. Then I'll click on copy, and I'll click on this, add paste style. Okay, I'll paste the style on this, paste style, and I'll click on this, paste style. Okay, and I'll publish, then preview. Okay, and you can see our preview here below. Okay, and it's looking good now. All right, okay, so we're done with this section. So I'm going to pause it then and change these icons. Okay, and change these icons. Okay, so I have finished fixing the other icons inside. Okay, so as you can see, so let's preview and see the final work right now. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking good now. So we are going to create our next section, and this is the next section that we are going to create. Okay, so we are going to create this section. So let me go back to my working environment and let's start creating that section. Okay, so back to my working environment. So I am going to click on this plus button, click on Flexbox, and I'll click on this flex container. Okay, so I'll select this, go to advanced, untick the padding, then select this again, then I'll go to layout, give it a size of 1450. Okay, then I'll go back to my advanced, give it a padding top 80, padding bottom 80. Okay, so after that, let me add a container inside this. So let me add a container. Okay, and I'll select this container and duplicate it. Okay, then I'll select this, go to layout, and click on this. Okay, then I'll select this container, go to advanced, remove the padding, select this one, go to advanced, remove the padding, and I'm going to add an image to this one. So let's go to our element panel, then look for our image element, drag our image element here, then click on this, and this is going to be our image. Okay, this one, then let's select this one. Okay, yes, our image, and here we are going to have some text here, so let me check. Okay, so let's go back to our working environment, and I'm going to copy this text from here, copy this. Okay, then paste it here, copy this one too, then paste it here, then I'll copy the last one as well, then paste it here. Okay, so from here, let me format it, go to here, remove this, Then I'll go to here, select this text from here, copy this back to my working environment, select this, go to content, paste it here like this. Okay, then back, copy this as well, back to my working environment, select the first one, copy, paste it here, then back there, I'll copy this, okay, back here, and I'll select this, go to style, okay, back and paste it here like this. And here I'm going to click on this one, duplicate this one, then back here, and I'll select this text, okay, and back here, and I'll paste it here. Okay, so from here I need a button, so I'll go back here, copy this button here, I'll copy this button back and paste it here. Okay, so from here let me name this button get expert help. So I'll click on this button, then I'll write it get expert help, okay, like this. All right, so from here I'll copy this, go to layout, then I'll come here like this. Okay, and as you can see, I'll just publish, then preview it. Okay, so let's see what we did right now. Okay, all right, as you can see, our session is looking good, but let's go back to our reference. We can see a blue color here. Okay, so let's go back and apply that blue color. Okay, so I'll select this container, go to style, click on classic, and I'll click on this and select my blue color. Okay, then I'll go to publish and preview it again. And when I check, you can see our page, our section is looking good now. All right, so we're done with this section. So we are going to create our next section right now. So back to my working environment. Okay, so let me show you the section that we are going to create right now. So back to my reference site. I am in my reference site right now. So you can see this is the section we are going to create. We are going to create the review and rating section. Okay, so we are going to create all those containers. Okay, so let's go to my working environment and start creating this section. So back to my working environment, I'm going to create my section by clicking on this plus, click here and click on this first container. Okay, so after that I'll click on this section, then go to advanced, uncheck the padding, go to layout, give it a size of 1450, then back to advanced, let me give it top padding 80, down padding 80. Okay, so from here we can add our grade. Okay, so let's go back to our elements panel. This is our grade, drag our grade here. Okay, but before, when I go back to our reference site, you can see that we have some text here. So let me go back and remove this grade here. Okay, remove this grade, then let's add those text first. Okay, so I'll come here, copy this, click on this and copy it. Okay, then paste it here. All right, copy, select this and copy this, then I'll paste it here. Okay, This is what I love about Elementor. You can do copy and paste. Okay, then I'll click here, copy, select this, then paste it here. Okay, so let me select this section, go to layout, and let's click on this center. Okay, like this. Back here, let's copy this text, and I'll come back to my working environment, select the first one, paste it here, go to style, select this color. Okay, then I'll come back here, select this, copy it back to our working environment, select this one, and paste our text here. Okay, then come back, select this text, copy it, come back to our working environment, select this text here, then paste it here. Okay, so from here, let's go back to our reference site. So we are going to break our text here. Okay, so come back here. So I'll select this. Then I'll come here. Then break it here. Okay, like this. And I'll publish it. Okay, so let me see. Okay, it has a background color. So let me give it a background color. Select this. Go to style. Go to classic. And let's select our white here. Okay, our background color. So from here, let me go back to my element panel. Then I'll select my grid here. I'll select the grid here, drag it here. Okay, so from here I'll select the grid again. Okay, then go back to my advanced and take the padding. Okay, so let's go back to our reference site. So we need 2 row, then 4 column. Okay, so let's go back. So I am in my grid settings here. Then the column, I'll make it 4. The row, I'll keep it 2. Then for the alignment, justify items, I'll make it center. And the alignment item, let me make it start. Okay. All right. So I'll go back to my element, take my container, put it here, select this, go to advanced, remove the padding. Let me go back to my reference site. So we are going to start designing it, add our element. Okay, so we are going to add our star rating. Okay, going to add our star rating. Go here, look for rating. Then I'll drag it here like this. Okay, so we need a text. Let me go back here, select this text again. Okay, drag this text. No, not this one. I don't know. Okay, this one. Okay, select this and place it here. Go back and we are going to add an image box. So let's go back and add an image box. Like this. Okay, so from here, let's start formatting this one. Okay, so let's go to our star rating. Okay, go to style. Let me add the sizes about 12 is okay. Space. Let me add 2. And here I will select this one, this text. Go to style. Select this. Give it a popping font family. And the font size, I'm going to make it, increase it a little bit. Okay, let me increase it. I think 12 is okay. All right. So from here, I will select this, then I will select our image. Let me select this first image. Okay, select it here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let me copy this text, go back here, and here, and I will go back to the title. I will add the name at the title, and the description. I'll paste this. So from here, I'll go back to style, and I'll set the content space to 0, and this one I'll reduce this one, the image space to, I think, to 0. Okay, for now. And the image position, let me send it to the left like this, and then let me push it a little bit from the image. Okay, so I will go to the text content, then I will apply the font family as puppet. Font size, let me increase it around 12 is okay, 13. Then I will do the same thing to the description. I will add popping font to this. Then the font size, I will increase it to like 12. It's okay. Then from here, I will change the color. Let me see, to our dark. I will change the color to our dark color here, like this. Then I'll go to image, and the image radius, I'll add it like this. And the sizes, let me increase the size a little bit. Let me check our reference size. Okay, and let me go back to my content. Let me reduce the size here, make it 12, and here too, make it 11, like this. Okay, then from here, let me see. Okay, from here, I will select this, then I will go to style, add a background color of white, From here, I am going to add a padding, so I'll go to advanced, then add a padding of 30, like this. So after that, I'll go to style and add a box shadow. Okay, add a box shadow. Okay, then I'll make it 5, 7, and 20. Okay, so I'll go back to my reference. I'll copy this text here, go back here, select this, and I'll go to content, then I'll paste it here, like this. Okay, I'll paste it like this. So we'll go back here. I can see there's a border radius here, so I'll go back and select this container here, go to border and add a border radius of 15, like this. Okay, then I'll publish. So after that, I'll duplicate this one. Okay, duplicate this, go here, select the second text, like this. Okay, select the text here, paste it here, like this. Okay, and I'll go back to my reference site, copy this. Okay, come back here, duplicate this one, and paste it here like this. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video and finish the rest. Okay, so I have finished with the rest, and as we can see, we are having a very beautiful container here right now. So let me publish and preview it. Okay, so then I'll preview. Okay, and let's check our preview. All right, so okay, so this is how our section is looking right now. Okay, so as you can see, so we just finished with this section. So right now we are going to create our next section, and let's see what is our next section here. So we finished with this one and our FAQ section. Okay, so we are going to create this FAQ section right now. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, so I'm back in my working environment. So to create our next section, I'm going to click on this plus button. So I'll click on this plus button, go to Flexbox, and click on this first container. Okay, so from here, I will click on this section, go to Advanced, remove the padding, then I'll go to Layout and give it a height of a size of 1450. Okay, then from here, I'll come back to Advanced, then give it a top padding of 80, bottom padding of 80. Okay, so from here, I will go to the up here, copy this text. Okay, then paste it here and paste it here, and I'll go back there, copy this one again, and I'll paste it here. Okay, then copy this one again, okay, then paste it here. Okay, so let's go back to our reference site. Okay, so I'll copy this, go back here, select this, and paste it here. Okay, but before I'll select this section, then I'll select this section. Okay, then go to Layout, then I'll go to Center from here. Then let me go back, copy this one, go back here, select this, then paste it here. Okay, like this. Go back there again, copy this one, and come here, select this, and paste it here like this. Okay, so I'll select this one and break it here. I'll break this text here. Okay, like this. So after that, let me add a background color to this one. Go to Style, go to Classic, then I'll select my white background color like this. So from here, I will add a container to this one. So let me go here, select a container from here, place it here. Okay, then I'll click on this container, go to Advanced, remove this padding, then I'll go back to my element, select another container, place it here, then I'll click on it and duplicate it here like this. So from here, let me go to this, let me select this. Okay, select this like this, and I'll select this container, then go to Layout, and I'll select this. Okay, then I'll click on this container, go to Advanced, click on this container, go to Advanced, then remove the padding, click on this one too, go to Advanced, remove the padding. Okay, so from here we need an element called accordion. So I'll go to my element panel, look for accordion. Okay, so I'll drag it inside here, okay, and leave it. So I'll close this, then back to my reference website. I'll copy this text, come here, then I'll paste it here. Then I'll go back here again, copy this text, okay, come here, then I'll select an element here, this one, then I'll drag it inside this here, okay, like this. Then I'll copy my text and I'll paste it here. I'll select the container here, okay, then remove the padding. I'll remove the padding from here like this, okay. So from here, I'll select this, okay. So I'll select this. Then the icon position, I want the icon to be at the right. So I'll bring the icon, this icon at the right. So from there, I want the icon to be here, okay. I don't want the icon to be close to this title. So I'll come to stretch and stretch the icon here. So from here, I'll select this. Then I'll go to style, background color. I'll select white for the background color, okay. So for the border type, I'll select none, like this. So from here, I'll come back to content, background color. I'll select, background color. I'll select this, select white, okay. So back to content, then on the border type, none, okay, like this. So I will select this and give it a padding left of 10, then padding top of 5 and bottom 5, okay, like this. No, okay, like this, just like this, okay. And maybe right 10, okay. So right 10, like this, okay. So from here, I'll go to style, then I'll select this, go to style, and I'll go to header, then I'll click on this. The default font family popping, I'll select popping, okay. Then I'll increase this to about, let's say 15. Then I'll put this one to like this, okay, it's okay. And I'll select this also, then go to the style, go to typography, and I'll select popping as font. Then the font size, let me add font size, 13 is okay, like this. So from here, I'll select this, then go to accordion, space between items. Let me give it some space. I think 10 will be okay. 10 is okay. All right. So from here, I'll come back here, then I'll duplicate this one. Okay, duplicate it again, and duplicate it again, and again. Okay. So from here, I will just copy it from here. Okay, copy this from here, and I'll come here, then paste it like this. Okay, so we can paste it like this. So we've published it and preview. Okay, then I'll go to preview. All right, so when I preview, then you can see how it's looking like. Okay, so as you can see, so very nice. Okay, so here I can pause the video and change all these details, but maybe you can do that later on. So I want to just continue with the next section. Okay, so not to waste time. All right, so let's design our next section. So let's check our next section. As I said, so you can pause it and change all these details, but I want to come to this next section. So let me design this next section so quickly. Okay, so let's do this thing. Back to my working environment. Okay, so I will select this flexbox, or click on flexbox here, click on this section here, then I'll click on this, go to advanced, uncheck this, go to layout, give it a size of 1450 like this. Okay, so from here we are going to add some top padding of, okay, so top padding of, let's say 40, for top, and bottom 60. Okay, so let's make it this way. All right, so from here I'm going to add my container. I'm going to add a container here like this. Okay, and I'll click here, remove this, and I'll duplicate this container, duplicate this one, and I'll select this section, go to this layout, select this. Okay, so let me check my reference site. Okay, it's looking good. So from here I want to add this text. I'll copy this text. Okay, then come back here, then I'll paste it here. Okay, paste it here. So I'll come here to my reference site and copy this one. Back to my working environment, I'll paste it here. Okay, and I'll go back there again. I'll go back here, select this text again, copy it, and I'll select this and paste it here like this. Okay, so I'll go to style. Okay, then come back here, copy this, go here, and I will select this again, paste it here like this. So after that, let me format this one by decreasing the font size, and I'll go to typography and I'll decrease it to, I think 13. It's okay, 14. Okay, all right, I think this is okay. So here I'll come to the up. Okay, copy this button. Okay, then I'll come back here, then paste the button here like this. Okay, then I'll select this container, then I'll go to center, no, sorry, not this one, center here, then I'll go to end, center, sorry, oh no, then I'll go to end here, sorry, then I'll center it here like this. Okay, so after that I'm going to select the whole of this. Okay, then I'll try to center this. Okay, so after that I'll just click on this one, go back to my reference site, then I will write here contact. Okay, like this, contact like this. So from here I will just publish and preview and see how it's looking. Okay, and you can see we have this section. So right now we have done with this section. So let's go back to our reference site and we have to create this footer. Okay, so how can we create this footer? We have to go back to our dashboard and create a footer template to create this footer. So I have to go back to my dashboard. So let's go back to my dashboard. Okay, so from here I'll come back to my dashboard from here, and I'll click on this exit to WordPress. Okay, then I'll exit to WordPress. It will take me to my dashboard. From here it will take me to my dashboard. So back, yes. So in my dashboard I will locate templates here, then I will click on theme builder. So click on theme builder and this page will open. Then you come here, click on add new, click on add new. Then here you see footer here, you click on footer. Okay, so it will take us to our footer here, and we are going to create our footer from scratch. We don't want to create our footer from any template, so I'll close it from here. Okay, and here is our footer working environment. Okay, so let me name my footer. So I'll go to footer settings, and I will name my footer here footer 1. Okay, like this. So let's publish this, add a condition and save it. Okay, so from here I'll create my section here, click on Flexbox, and I'll click here. Okay, so here I'll click on this one too, back to advanced, and I'll untick this padding. Then I'll go back to my advanced again, okay, and give it some top padding. Let's give a top padding now about 40 down to 40. Okay, like this. And let's go to our layout and give it a size of 1450, like this. Okay, so we can give it a background color of black. So I'll go to my style and give it a background color of our dark color. Let me see. No, let me make it dark. Black is okay. Okay, so from here we are going to our element panel, then get our grade from here. Okay, so I'm going to select my grade and place my grade here. So I'll come to my settings. So here I will make it 4. Okay, and here I will make it 1, the row. So let me go back to my reference site and let me see. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, the column is going to be 5, so let me make it 5. Okay, so I will click on this grade, go to advanced, remove the padding. Okay, so from here let me add a container. So I'll click here, look for my container, click and drag it here. Okay, so from here I'll select the container here, then go to advanced, remove the padding. So after that I'll go back to my element, look for my heading element, and this is my heading element. I'll drag it inside. Okay, then I will name it company. So from here I'll go to style, then I'll go to typography. I'll change it to font, the font to poppin. Okay, and the size, let me make it I think 16 is okay. All right, then I'll go back here and look for another element called icon list, and I'll drag it here below icon list. Then I'm going to delete this. Let me see. Okay, so I'll click on this, name this one about us. Okay, and I will move it. Let me remove the icon. Okay, and I'll duplicate this one. Okay, then I'll make this one service. Okay, and I'll duplicate it again. Our blog. Okay, a blog like this, and I'll duplicate this one again. Contact us. Okay, so let me check. Okay, and we have this one. Let me copy this one. Okay, then let's duplicate this one and add this. All right, like this. Okay, so from here I'll go to style, and I'll come to text, and the typography, let me choose popping. I'll choose popping, then I'll increase it to like up to 13 is okay. All right, 13 is okay. Then I will change the color to white like this. Okay, then this one too, I'll change the color to white like this, and I'll select the list. Okay, then I'll give it some space, about I think 7 is okay. Okay, so let me check our reference site. Okay, then we have it. So from here I am going to click on this. Okay, click on this and maybe give it some padding of, let me select here 20. Okay, let me give it some padding of 20. Okay, 20 here. Then I will duplicate this. Okay, and duplicate it. Select this, duplicate this one, select it, duplicate. Okay, and do the same thing, duplicate. Okay, so we are having the 5 pieces we needed. Okay, so let me check. Okay, this is 5 pieces. All right, so from here we can design the next section, that is this down section with the icon. Okay, with the social icons button. All right, so let's design that one. So from here you can change the content. Okay, you can change the content, but sake of time I just want to continue on to create the next section. So later on, after you finish designing, you can customize it the way you want it. Okay, so let's create our next section. So I'll create another section here. Okay, select this, untick this one, go to layout, give it 1450. Okay, so from here let me give this one a border. Okay, solid, just a border top of 1 like this. Then I'll select the color to be white like this. Okay, so after that I'll go back to the background and give it a background color of black. Okay, like this. Okay, so if I publish and refresh and preview, okay, let's add some content to it first. Okay, let me add some content to this. So back to this, I'm going to add a container to this one like this. I'll click on this, go here, move this, then I'll duplicate this one, duplicate it like this. I'll select this container. Okay, go to layout and click on this. Okay, so from here we are going to add our text. Let me copy this text. Okay, so let me copy this, then paste it here. Okay, like this. So from here I'll come here, copy this text, okay, and go back to content, paste it here. All right, then I will just go to style and I'll reduce it to, let's say 500, and reduce this one to around, I think 14 is okay. 14 is good. Then I'll duplicate this one, duplicate this. Okay, now add this to it, go back, then I'll paste it here. Okay, so after that, let me go back to my element panel, look for my social icons. I'll copy all the social icons here. Then I need 4. Let me add another one. Okay, so from here, let me customize the color. Go to custom, add my blue color, this, and I will do it to this one too. Custom, add this color, blue color, and I will do to the rest too, the same thing. Custom, then select this blue color. Okay, then I will do this one too. Okay, the same. Custom, and I'll select my blue color. All right, so from here I can select the icon from here, then go to style. On the size, I can reduce the size, let's see, bit like this. Okay, I'll go here, select this container. Okay, I'll select this container. Okay, then I'll click on this, then I will center this here. Okay, like this. Okay, then I'll click on this and give this one a padding top of 20, bottom 40, like this. Okay, 40 like this. Then I will publish and preview it. Okay, so as you can see, this is our footer. All right, so let's go and refresh our whole page. Okay, so I'll go back to my dashboard. I'll go back to my dashboard on here. Okay, so I'll click here and go to visit site. Okay, so when I click on visit site, I only see my header and my footer. Okay, so let me go back to my dashboard and fix that. Okay, so I'll go back to my dashboard, go to settings. Okay, then I'll go to reading. I'll click on settings, then go to reading. Okay, so from here I'll click on this second button, then on the home page I'll select my home page that I created. Okay, and I'll go to save. Right, so from here I'll go back on here and go to visit site, and you can see our whole page we designed. Okay, so this is the whole page we designed. We started from the header with the hero section, and we designed this beautiful professional website. Okay, so this is the end of our lesson, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you'll be able to build any kind of business website, either for yourself or for your customer. Okay, thank you.